Okay, so I'm still working on this rotten wood. Now I've got the first piece fitted. Now that's not in the right place. That notch needs to fit down there where that thing is, so that can move around a little bit. Okay, now can you see the gap down there in here? Okay, so here's the two-part filler. 2 parts. Now I thought, okay, now I've got one glob for that bottom part, and then I got one glob for the rest of it. That'll be this and the top and the bottom to get it all smoothed in there. And then I want that nice and smooth over there because that's going to be exposed. So that's going to take a bit of work to get that nice. But that's the plan. Now, what I was going to do is just show you how much. What you want to do when you have one of these things, you want to squish it around a little bit. Make sure it's all stirred up. Now, they say 1 pea to 1 golf ball. So that's maybe 1 whole golf ball there, but okay, I do like 3 peas. I know that's going to be plenty. And then, sorry. So I just stir it up then. You spend a minute or two stirring it up. Make sure you get it all. Eventually, it will go off. The stuff is, unless you do a really bad job of stirring it. But, you know, just give it some good action. And then you got to remember to clean these tools up when you get done. So I'll just take whatever's on there at the moment over there. Remember, I need a big gob down at the bottom, and on this side right there I need a big gob right in there, so that can be flat. And I want some on the top of that, so that's going to stick good. Good on the top. I want more globs on the bottom because that's a big hole down there that needs to be filling. So I'm just working it all down, and I want the bottom to have some on it. So that's got a good grip on down there. Now, where's the board? So it's going to go like that. Is that right? Yeah. So what I'll take is the extra now. Just smooth it all up there. Oh, pick up some dirt and stuff. Well, this is where I got to have 2 hands, folks. So then I just got 1 screw. I'm going to put it in there and just hold that screw, just hold it in place. So talk to you in a bit.